Everybody loves an unboxing video, right? I can't hear you because there's nothing in the background today. Of course, this one is the legendary Bayside Blue Nissan SKYLINE GTR R-34. So, this was an unboxing video. Why are you showing us this one? Because everybody loves it. We gotta appreciate it. As you can see in the background, we've got the Slucker's Choice. That color of red is amazing. I'm not opening this up, sorry. But we got that sitting in the background for fun. And we got the other RLC that I have. The Nismo version. It has the Hot Wheels there on the side. Got a lot of criticism. But you can't really see it, and the Nismo really makes it look cool. So we're going to set those back there for the sick R-34s. So what are we unboxing today? Not this one. We're going to unbox not the Super Treasure Hunt, but the regular mainline casting of the Nissan SKYLINE GTR R-34. What am I doing here saying? The card is fine. No bent edges. Looking at it in there, looks nice. I want to find this as a Super Treasure Hunt. Maybe I'll spend the money to get it one day. Can't decide. But I really wanted to open this one. I don't have a mainline casting. I only have this Fast and the Furious Bayside Blue one. So I'm curious to see what the mainline one is, if it's just the same without the deco or what. So let's open this up. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm gonna get this out of the way. Sometimes you gotta open it. Oh, this hurts a little bit. No Super Treasure Hunt. Oh, no Treasure Hunt. I think that was obvious from the paint job, but just to let the rest of you down. Okay, I've never seen an R-34 mainline in loose in person. Did that come through? My mic stuttered. I've never seen a loose R-34. Ooh, this color is amazing. I know the Super Treasure Hunt was a darker green with more metallic flake on it, but this looks more like the jade. Ooh, in real life. It's got a really nice metal fleck to it too, wow. And of course I have the first edition casting from 2002 of this car. I have the Malaysia and the United States version. They're basically the same, the wheels are just different, essentially. Whoa, this is sick. The painted hood is really nice. The front obviously doesn't have the paint on it there. You still can see the grille. That's cool. Can't quite see the badge in there, unfortunately. Still right-hand drive. Still got the passenger seat in it. So it's just the regular mainline casting, which is cool. No wide body kit. Just the regular R-Tune special mainline. Got the rear end at least, thank God. So we just unboxed this one. It's really nice. You know, the wheel swap on a lot of these mainline ones, and they're just up there. How does this compare to the premium now, of course, right? Still has a really nice black lip on it. Still has all the tune on it. The new casting that just came out is the basic version. Looks like ass. This is by far the superior casting. Does look pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna do this backwards so we can see it. Actually, no, I'm not. We're just gonna line it up. Just winging it today. Can I see it? Oh, so the premium one doesn't even have the... Premium one looks like it sits quite a bit higher. Maybe that's not the case. Beautiful color, both of these actually. Millennium Jade, that was the color I was trying to think of. That Nissan calls that this green. These are my favorite castings, especially the two in the background. The selector's choice is amazing. I don't really like those other blue chrome ones and that pink one, or the convention yellow that's kind of trash. There's just that one Godzilla one left of the R-34 of this casting that I want. I think it's in the 2026 car culture. There's a good picture. So there's my favorite cars finally. I unboxed one finally. I got a really good deal on this one today. I guess you could say that. Did some trading, got this one sick. So I opened one. When you do, most of the time you're glad you did. It says Hot Wheels on this, you can see there. I wonder if this premium one does not have that back there. That's cool. There's the R-34 and the other R-34. Both the same. The ones behind us here, the bottom of them, I was gonna say back, but the back of them too is painted, and underneath the exhaust is painted here. And you can open up the hood of these ones back here. You can open that right up and see the RB26 and then painting it. So I think that's pretty cool. No music in this video. I just thought I'd let the picture of the cars take care of itself. I don't need to explain it. Everyone's seen this car.